how to make money.
Money. Period. What I want to see is the money. So if you want to make some money from home, make sure you like this video, click the subscribe button and the notifications. And make sure you go follow our Instagram because that's on period.
Say what?
So yeah, if you want to know how to make some money,
let's
get on to the video. So everyone, as you can see, we have our list of things written down right here.
So guys, next thing is money. Read the perfect
I am so undressed for this occasion. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing my glasses. Guys, I will link those glasses down below.
Right.
You earn a commission off of your orders.
Guys, go order these glasses down below.
Stunning.
Ooh, stunning.
So the first way, an easy way to make money would be to scan your receipts. You can do this by using apps called FETCHREWARDS, COINOUT. Also, you can use IBOTTA.
And especially money. Use the link down below. Make sure y'all get some money and bridging some too.
After going to the grocery store and you want to make some money because you just spent some money. Well, your mom spent some money. But you want to earn some money? Get her receipt, scan it, and boom, you make some money.
Yeah. So that's a good way.
Can I borrow some of your money?
No, ma'am.
What about me? I know you'll let me borrow your money.
Sure, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
My heart broke so many times.
Next way you can make money is by walking.
So you guys, use the app called SWEATCOIN. You can make money just by walking. Like, period.
The link to download is down in the description. If you use that link, you'll get some money as a reward, and we will too. Yeah, you literally just walk. It tracks your steps. You get money in return.
You have to make money by walking very good.
That's another easy way.
Claire, why are you walking so much?
So I got money.
The next way you can make money is by making designs for Teespring.
So you're a graphic designer and you want to know what Teespring is.
Yeah.
You stayed up to date. Teespring is you can post your little graphic designs, like post them on a little hoodie and then boom, you make money.
Yeah.
Post them on the shop. You make a shop on the app.
So you don't have to be like a graphic designer or anything. It's not really anything special.
You have to be creative.
Yeah. You don't have to be that creative.
Just enough for someone to look at your stuff and be like, oh, that's cute.
So you just put a design on a t-shirt and then post it. And then somebody can buy that design that you made. And then you'll make some money. So yeah. Go check out our clothing store, link in the description.
Next I've been using Redbubble. What's Redbubble?
Ooh, you might ask. Redbubble is like Teespring. You can make a design for Redbubble and use it for clothing, and you earn a commission off of those orders. We'll buy.
By using Redbubble, you'll earn a commission off of orders by people buying your stuff.
Make sure somebody see your stuff. Like.
So the next way you can make money is to use affiliate marketing. That's what we're using. We're using Amazon right now. So if you're like an influencer and you know you can make money, then put it down below in your little link in your YouTube videos.
If you have products that you're using or something you're wearing, you can put it down in your links below and people will be able to purchase something from those links and you'll earn a commission off of those orders.
So the next idea, which gets us into making your own YouTube channel. You just gotta start your own YouTube channel. If you want, comment down below if you want us to make a YouTube video on how to start your own YouTube channel. I'll tell you all the deets. She was trying to get into it, Karis. I'm just move like a snake, like a snake. Wow, you black girls know what I'm about to say, because there's a quote from Tiana. Work real hard each and every day. Rest assured, things will come your way. Quote from my girl Tiana.
You're not supposed to sing Tiana.
Quoted Tiana, actually.
You're not supposed to quote Tiana.
Well, that was supposed to help girls out there believe in themselves, Clear.
Not the bing gang. Not the bing gang. Next way is we supposed to start a business.
So there's two ways you can start your business. One, you can do it the regular way based off of your work. And the other way you can do is drop shipping. It's basically like it takes time to set up your website and everything, but you don't actually hold the products. They come right from the supplier you're getting them from and right to your customer. Yes! I just got a new order. Package that. Now the earrings. All right, let me drop this off at the post office.
Running a one-person business is one thing, but it's not the other. Lee slapper. Well, guess I'll drop these off. On my way to new adventures. This is a package for Clear Jade.
Yes, that's me.
And this last one is for Karis, Katie, and Clear.
Thank you so much. That's us.
My name is the Shippers of Ship, and I make every order with the tip.
I can't have your tip.
Oh, invisible. I always love it. One order done.
Open this one first. It's my packages. With my earrings. Oh, thank you, God.
Ooh, I just got a new order. It's not like I have to do anything though.
You're getting sleepy.
Oh, I got 10 more orders. I'm making money just by sleeping.
I have a few ideas for you guys to start your little business, so let's get on with it.
Oh, and lipsticks and
New
lip
surveys.
glosses.
So my friends are doing boutiques, and you can do boutiques too.
Yeah,
So what?
they're selling accessories.
Yeah, I say you should sell accessories because clothing takes a little too much
Like
to do. Why would you want to hold clothes at your house? I know most people want to hold items.
If you don't want to handle the products, just do drop shipping.
And like money, just like I have.
You also graphic designing, which like edits. I know some people who do edits.
Make sure you-
You're welcome to do edits for us. So thank you
Make
very
sure,
much.
make sure you get your money and put it inside your pocket.
Yeah,
Stuff.
save your money.
And give it to little buyers. And then they give you something when you give it to them.
Also, you can make art for people. I know you
Thank
can make good
you.
art if you're an artist, because that's my period. Please have the right stuff to do it, so you won't be looking like an amateur.
Going about what Katie's saying about the editing, the graphic designing, you can also put what you do on Fiverr. It's like a services selling app where people can buy your services that you offer.
Make sure you go over this with your parents too, because
Yeah.
don't do this by yourself. Please don't do it by yourself.
Mom, can you help me with my business?
Now, ask your parents for help with starting a business.
Yes.
Wait, I need to put this money inside my pocket. We're about to come up with more, better copy. Period. Period.
A little merch / business.
We're gonna be having accessories and clothing, so like.
It's all gonna be fire!
And also, if you need a job, then if you live in Detroit, DM us.
$50.
Right, we got
And
you.
I give y'all money.
The next way is to become a social media influencer. That goes along with starting your YouTube channel. For becoming a social influencer, you can use Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Dubsmash, Triller, and there's other ones that you can find. But if you do that, you can grow your pages on your different networks, and brands will be able to contact you for brand deals and everything. And that's how you will monetize your platform. You can also start merch with that, use your affiliate links, direct people to your business. But yeah.
So a popular one is if you have old clothes, you gotta sell that junk. If you want to make money, you can sell it. But if you're a good citizen, just give it away. But baby, you should sell it. Just saying, if you want to make money. So what you can sell it on is Poshmark, Facebook, Depop, MECARI, and eBay. You can set up your shop and you'll be through it.
Another one, guys, is to do surveys. So you can use surveys on the go, IQ. Those are the two apps that we use. There are also others that you'll see on the App Store when you search those in. So you can try those too. But those are the only two I've tried and they work. Go join them down in the link below. Use our links.
The next one is to use Udemy.
So Udemy is basically a website where if you have a skill that you like to offer to people, you can record video classes and people will pay to see your classes. So let's say you know how to do graphic design, editing, and stuff like that. Or tutoring. Just any skill that you know how to do. Gymnastics too. Growing social media platforms. Yeah, anything. Make sure you guys check out our links in the description. Affiliate link below. We earn a commission off of your orders.
If you want to help the melanin drop out.
I want you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, like. Follow Instagram.
Down below. And right here.
Hope you enjoy our ideas we just gave you.
Yeah.
So go ahead and make some money, make some cash.
Make some money, cash.
With this knowledge that you have in your mind, make some cash.
Cash.
Hershey Kisses out!
Stop it, Clear.
Okay, you to me.
What would you do? Yes, that's rational.
The App Store when you search those. So you to me. So you to me is basically.
They get the 5 minutes inside the pot, then they mix it up, and then they eat it, and then they see how it tastes like.
Oh, okay.
They cut the money, and then they pay it inside, and I have friends at school, and they're my friends, and they're friends with me, and there is boys there too.
Okay, so.
Alright.
Y'all want money right now. Here you go. It's from my pocket.